Let's learn how to do the single crochet stitch in a chain. To make a chain, you'll start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers away from you, creating an X. At the top of the X, insert your hook under the first strand of yarn and pull up the back piece of yarn. Carefully remove your fingers and pull your yarn tails until you secured a knot. Tighten your loop against your hook. Now it's time to chain. Yarn over and pull your yarn through the loop on your hook. This creates one chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through, creating a second chain, and you'll continue with yarn over and pull through until you have your desired amount of chains. The single crochet stitch requires one turning chain. In this example, I'll be making 10 single crochet stitches, so I'll need to make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we're ready to single crochet. We're going to skip this first chain and work in the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. This creates one single crochet stitch. Now working into the next chain stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through both loops on your hook. From the top of our stitches, here's 1 and 2. You'll continue working a single crochet stitch in each chain until you reach the last one. Here I'll work my last single crochet stitch, and now I have a total of 10 single crochet stitches. The top of each single crochet stitch will have 2 loops forming a V shape. It's always a good idea to count your stitches before moving on to your next round to make sure that you didn't miss any chains or add any extra single crochets. You'll work your next row into the top loops of your single crochet stitches that you just made. First you'll need a turning chain, so yarn over and pull through. Now you'll turn your work so that you can work your next row of stitches into the single crochets you just made. Working into another single crochet, you'll need to insert your hook under both loops of the top of your single crochet stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. One single crochet stitch has been created. And again, working your next single crochet into your next stitch, making sure that you go under both loops of the top of your single crochet stitch. When you reach the end of your single crochets, be sure that you work that last stitch into your last single crochet and not that turning chain. Any additional rows would be worked in the same fashion with a chain 1, turn, and single crochet across.